Hey everyone! After few weeks, Delta Executor launched new updates and users face problems to how to get new version of Delta Executor. No problem. In this video, I'll show you how to get new version of Delta Executor on your mobile phone. So let's start the video. First of all, open your browser and search Delta Executor. Now, click on First Website. Now, from here, you have to choose the platform. Android. Click on it. Scroll down. Here's the option of download. Click on it. Now, click on Free Download. Again, scroll down. And again, you'll see the option of download with Delta Executor latest version. Click on it. And then you have to click on Free Download. And after that, you've to watch and short ad to start the download. Watch the ad and the download will be started. Once the downloading is finished, click on the file. Now click on Install. The app is installing. Now, as you can see, the app is installed. Open the app. Just enable this option and go back to the app. Now create an account or sign in your account. After signing in your account, here's the Delta Executor new version. Now you can play any game. Just open the game and click on Play. And enjoy the game. So this is the way to get new version of Delta Executor. I hope this video was helpful. Subscribe the channel for more videos.